Hello designers, in today's design we want to create a food graphic design. So first of all, go to your browser or to your Pinterest and download food pictures with white background, something like this. So when you get it, you can download it. If this lesson is too difficult for you, please watch our other videos that give an introductory part of this graphic design lesson. So pick a picture of any food that you want that has a white background, just white background, because white backgrounds are easy to erase on pixellab app. Now I've chosen, let me scroll. So I'm just going to choose the one that works for me. Now I'm going back to my pixellab. I want to prepare my space. Now I can go again to download the background of my food, right? I've already downloaded the foods I want to. You can also download the kind of food you want. Now I'm going to download a background. I think I like this brown one. So I'm going to pick one of the background because that is what will make my work beautiful when I have a background that is beautiful, right? So I'm picking this brown one. So after picking the brown one, I'm bringing it to my pixellab and I'm expanding it. Look at it. I'm going there. I'm expanding it. Please, if anything is confusing for you, please go back to the previous videos and watch. Now I'm expanding it to cover my pixellab workspace. So when I'm done with this, the next thing to do is to click on the food items that I've already downloaded. You can see that I'm bringing them into the pixellab with their white backgrounds. Now I can easily remove this white background by clicking on my erase color, right? You can see it. So you just need to enable it and it will delete the background, the white background. Then I'm going to bring the next food, this one now. I'm going to also delete the white background. You see, I've deleted it, so I'm reducing it and I'm placing it right beside the first food. Just right beside it, right? So you can see how simple it is. I've gotten the background and I've also deleted the background of the food and I have it nice. Now I want to write food. I'm going to type food, Food. So here it is, and after typing it here, I'm going to have a space where I can type Food in capital letter. Then I'm coming back and I'm expanding it here. Look at how I put it here. And I'm going to change the font to make it thicker. So I've selected this thicker font and I'm expanding the food here. So you can see how it is. This is just a random design I'm doing. So after I've written the food, I'm giving this the letters some shadows. Just go to where shadow is in your text and increase it. Just enable it, then select black and increase it. It's very simple. When you're done with that, under the food, we're going to write something. We're going to write like no other. So it's going to be food like no other. You see? So I've written it. Let me change the font. Now I've changed the font. Food like no other, right? Now I'm going down to get a logo. You can get any logo of your choice. If you're working with a client, then make sure you choose the logo that he has sent for you or the one you have created. Now I've selected the logo and I've put it up there. If the logo already has a background, you can also delete it the way you deleted that background, right? Now see what I'll do here. I'm trying to adjust the color of the background. Okay, now I'm putting the phone number of the food brand. Okay, this is just a random number. I'm just trying to work with just something random. Okay, I'm changing the fonts. Okay, so this is okay for me. Then I'm going to type a random address, just something random to put it somewhere, right? So let me just say number. Okay, just type in something random. So if you're working with anybody's, maybe you want to design for your mom, you want to design for your sister or whoever you're designing for, you're going to just use their information instead of using these random things I'm doing here. So you can see that the address is right under the phone number, right? Beautiful. So the address is there. Then there's one other thing I want to do here. Let me adjust the food well. After adjusting the food, the next thing I'm going to do is to, okay, coming down here, I'm going to type like their slogan, better food na money kill am, right? I like this. So I'm going to put it down here, just like their slogan, just like MTN, everywhere you go, right? So this one is their own slogan, and their slogan is better food na money kill am. Please, if you have issue with any of the tools I'm using or how to use them, just go back to this channel and look for the previous videos we have from series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. And the more the number, the more difficult and the more professional the work is. I believe you love this, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like and share, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.